if yun ang gugustuhin ni PRRD, hindi naman kami haharang doon sa mga ICC. Hindi lang kami tutulong. Ngunit kung pumapayag siya na makipag-usap siya o magpaimbestiga siya sa ICC, nasa kanya yun. Wala nang kaming desisyon doon. No. You have misread it. We do not cooperate with the ICC. That is the position of this government.
Pero pag ni-red notice po ng Interpol, we will be obliged to participate.
As Secretary Remulla explained before, we have obligations to Interpol, and we have to live up to those obligations.
And therefore, the net effect, ganun din po.
We'll see.
Masasailalim po si Pangulong Duterte
We'll see
sa
how far
ICC.
it goes. We'll see what the ICC does.
Thank you.